In this video, I show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. It's quick and easy. Let's begin. Open Instagram app and tap on your profile photo. Now tap this 3-bar icon. Go to Account Center and in the account settings tap Personal Details. Now go to Account Ownership and Control. And the second option is for deactivation and deletion. Tap on it. Now tap on the account you want to deactivate. Make sure the deactivate account is selected. Now tap Continue and enter your Instagram password. Next tap Continue. Select a reason why you want to deactivate. And next tap Continue. And finally tap Deactivate Account. Your account will be deactivated. That's it guys. Hope it helps. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.